Innovative IELTS essay course overview. It has straight musical videos, picture-guided analysis, formulated examples and functions, compared summaries and methods. One, picture-guided illustrations for abstract concepts, and in-depth explanations of essay paragraphs and sentences. 2. Showing how these essay layers and dimensions fit together, and how to run the whole mechanism. 3. Analyzed each paragraph and sentence function in template with solutions, methods, and formulas. 4. Explaining why must and how to deal with common mistakes. In-depth attack against conventional misunderstanding for essay blocks. 5. All of the above are summarized and organized in diagrams as picture-guided lectures.